Hi, I'm Shwetlana and I'm a 2B wavy hair girl. So I got to know about my hair type 2 years ago, and like everyone else, I thought it was curly. So I ordered the most popular CGM kit online. And let's just say I was kind of disappointed because each kit would give me no definition, would leave me with greasy roots and loads of frizz. Like my hair looked good when it was wet, but as soon as it would dry, I would like lose all definition and ugh, everything would be so frizzy. I used my 2 whole years to find a routine which would be adaptable for me and which would not be a gamble for the day, because of course a bad hair day is equals to a bad confidence day as well. Okay, so after this 2 years of grind, I have finally figured out
Let's
the
go.
whole routine of a fine wavy haired girl. And guess what, I'm gonna give it to you. Also, I'm going to tell you some product recommendations which you can try on and tell me if it works for you. So let's proceed. Tip number one. This tip is more like a warning and less like a tip. So, you're gonna comb your hair only and only when you're showering, okay? Only and only when you're washing your hair and nowhere else. Like you can go for this kind of a brush, which is a wide teeth brush, so that it would be very gentle to your hair. And this is the only time you're gonna brush your hair, so keep in mind, because if you brush on dry hair, it is only gonna cause more breakage and it will make you look like a frisbee, so avoid it. Tip number two, always work on wet. I repeat, WET, wet hair and not damp hair. It is very essential to work on wet hair because that is going to make sure that the products are going to glide through your hair and will be evenly distributed. It is also the time where the curl clumps are going to form like this. Okay, so the first two tips are very, very generalized. These are both for the curly and the wavy haired girl, and you must have witnessed these tips somewhere on Instagram Reels or other YouTube videos. But the tips which I'm going to share with you further are more important for fine wavy haired girls. So, listen, open your ears and listen carefully. Tip number three. Now for the creamy products, always go for lightweight creamy products. Like those heavy curl creams, they tend to leave you with greasy roots and weigh your hair down. They're not made for you, darling, they're made for the curly hair girls. Okay, so avoid those heavy curl creams, and in fact I would like to suggest you to use some leave-in conditioners because they are generally lighter than the curl creams. So use lightweight products. Now comes my first product recommendation, which is this is a trial pack. It's not sponsored, of course. My channel is just too small for someone to sponsor me. This is Fix My Curls Milky Leave-In Serum, and I'm loving it these days. In fact, this is the first curl cream which I have truly loved. It is a very milky texture, like I would show you. Okay, it has a very milky texture and is very lightweight, and it's not going to weigh your hair down. So you can go for it. In fact, the trial pack is just so cute, and it's very convenient as well. So first you can try it. The trial pack, it's very genius that they have launched a trial pack, as we can try it on our hair first, and if we like it we can go for the bigger pack, okay, which is like this big. So um good. Tip number four, which is basically for the holding factor. So wavy hair tends to lose definition very easily, so you need some very strong hold gel to hold these waves. So now comes the second product recommendation, maintains volume gel. This is the best, and I must say the strongest hair gel I have ever used. It is kind of like expensive, but you can give it a shot. This is the smaller pack of this gel. It's very jelly in texture, and this holds my curls up to 2 days. Tip number 5, which is the styling and drying part. So for styling, you can go for the scrunch method, which everybody does. And I also see people who finger coil their hair, but I don't know how to do it apparently. And it's actually very time consuming. Like if your curls, if your waves can clump, like already clumped, then why do you have to finger coil? It's like forcing your hair to be wavy. Okay, so which is very basic. You just scrunch and that's done. Next is the drying part, which is kind of complicated because the drying part decides how much frizz you're gonna get. So there are two methods, a slower one and a faster one. First, talk about the slower one, which is the air drying. Most of us do it. Air drying causes more frizz because the more your hair takes to dry, the more frizz you get. Okay, so air dry is very basic, it's very simple, so you can go for it if you don't care about frizz. But if you do care about frizz and you don't have time, then you can go for blow dryers, and you can just diffuse your hair for like 1 hour. I don't know, it takes a long time to be honest, but less than air drying, and it causes less frizz. So the choice is yours. Now, personally, I air dry my hair because, like, why do you even care about frizz? Do you not know that frizz is the ultimate aura? Like, frizz is gonna come up if it's, we don't care if it's less or more, okay? Frizz is gonna come up anyways, and I have less frizz, although I've air dried my hair. I was riding the scooter, so it was like a blow dryer, such a blow dryer. But I just don't care about frizz, and it's okay to have a little bit of frizz. Now you would be wondering about the definition of the people who have wavy hair on the internet. Like they make reels or YouTube shorts showing off their wavy or curly hair with perfect definition and no frizz. But in reality, it's just the camera which is capturing them, and it is like impossible to have zero frizz. Okay, frizz is gonna show up anyways, so you should be comfortable with it. Tip number 6, never ever touch your hair while it is drying. Like, do not even touch it, and do not rub it against any surface like a wall or your bed. Do not do it. Your hair needs time to dry, and while it is drying, you just sit somewhere which does not cause friction around your hair. So do not even touch it. Do not even touch it. You're gonna like ruin all the definition which you have done by scrunching for like hours. So do not touch it. It is the first rule of the book. No, 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 no. Don't touch it. Seventh one is not a tip. It is more like a confession from my side to you. So bear with me. Wavy hair is gonna look amazing the day it is styled. Okay, so the day one is gonna be very good. Like everybody's gonna be like, who's that diva? Who's that diva? But the moment you go to sleep at night one, no matter how much you use those kind of silk products like scrunchies, bonnets, or those silk pillowcases, satin pillowcases, you are not gonna retain the definition because wavy hair tends to lose its definition, and it is going to lose its definition. Wavy hair is very fragile, I must say. So it is not a bad thing because you can refresh your hair the next day, but still it is a hassle, and it is kind of inconvenient for a lot of people. But you need to understand that it is the beauty of wavy hair. It is a thing which you have to put in. It is the consistency which you have to show to it. But there's an advantage to this hair type which I really like, which is that you can actually control your hair. Listen to me. Your hair type lies between curly and straight hair. So whenever you feel like straightening your hair or wanting your hair to look straight, you can just not follow this routine and your hair is going to be 70% straight. Okay, around 70%. Now if you want to have these beautiful waves, you can go for this CGM routine, and you're gonna land up with these beautiful things on your head, and you will have all the attention of the room. Okay, now this is the part which I love the most. You can control your hair. Your hair is actually flexible. So that's it for today. This video is like a message for you guys to embrace your wavy hair, and I would just love to see more people wearing this hair type. And please do tell me in the comments how do you like the video, and if you have tried these products, please also give some reviews to help each other. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hood.